Hello students, today we shall work out problems on formation of partial differential equations. The given problem is form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant from the relation ax square plus by square plus z square equal to 1. To eliminate arbitrary constants a and b, we differentiate the given relation partially with respect to x and y. Now here we write the given relation as z square equal to 1 minus ax square minus by square. I will take it as equation 1. So differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x, we obtain 2z into dou z by dou x equal to minus 2x. Here when we differentiate partially with respect to x, y term is treated as constant. So partial derivative of y term with respect to x will be 0. Now we write it as 2zp is equal to minus 2ex, where p is the notation for dou z by dou x. Next, we get a is equal to minus zp divided by x. We'll take it as equation 2. Similarly, differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y, we obtain 2z into dou z by dou y equal to minus 2by, or we write it as 2zq is equal to minus 2by, then we get b is equal to minus zq divided by y. I'll take it as equation 3. Now, to eliminate arbitrary constants a and b from equation 1, we can substitute a is equal to minus zp divided by x and b is equal to minus zq divided by y. So substituting in equation 1, we obtain z square equal to 1 minus zp divided by x whole square minus zq divided by y whole square. That will be z square equal to 1 plus zpx plus zqy, or z square minus 1 is equal to z into px plus qy. That is a required partial differential equation. In the next question, the given problem is form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant from z is equal to x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square. We'll take the given relation as equation 1. Now, we differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. So, when we differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x, y term is constant. So, we get dou z by dou x equal to 2 into x minus a, or we write it as p is equal to 2 into x minus a, where p stands for dou z by dou x. Then, x minus a is p by 2. Similarly, differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y, we get 2z dou z by dou y equal to 2 into y minus b, or q is equal to 2 into y minus b. Then we write y minus b is equal to q by 2. Now, to eliminate arbitrary constants a and b from the given relation, directly we can substitute for x minus a and y minus b using x minus a is equal to p by 2, y minus b is equal to q by 2. So substituting this in equation 1, we can write z is equal to p by 2 whole square plus q by 2 whole square. That will be z is equal to p square by 4 plus q square by 4, or 4z equal to p square plus q square. So this is a required partial differential equation. Okay, then we will solve the next question. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant from the relation z is equal to xy plus y into root of x square minus a square plus b. We'll take the given relation as equation 1. So here also, differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x, we obtain dou z by dou x equal to y plus. Now here, in the given relation, second term is y into root of x square minus a square. So when we differentiate this partially with respect to x, y term is constant. So partial derivative of second term with respect to x will be y into derivative of root x square minus a square with respect to x. That is 1 by 2 root x square minus a square into 2x. That it can be written as p is equal to y plus xy divided by root x square minus a square. We'll take it as equation 2. Now differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y, we obtain dou z by dou y is equal to x plus root of x square minus a square. That is q is equal to x plus root of x square minus a square. We'll take it as equation 3. Now here to eliminate arbitrary constants a and b, it is not possible to substitute a and b in equation 1, but we can, using equation 3 and 2, we can eliminate arbitrary constant. So from equation 3, we write q minus x equal to root of x square minus a square. We can substitute this in equation 2. So when we substitute this in equation 2, we get p is equal to y plus xy divided by q minus x, or p minus y is equal to xy divided by q minus x, or it is same as p minus y into q minus x equal to xy. So when we expand the left hand side, it becomes pq minus xp minus yq plus xy equal to xy. On both sides we have xy term, so that term gets cancelled. Then we will get the equation as pq is equal to xp plus yq. So this is a required partial differential equation. Okay, we will work out the next question. Find the partial differential equation of the family of all spheres whose centers lie on the plane z is equal to 0 and have a constant radius. The equation of the sphere with center at A, B, C is given by x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square equal to r square, where r is the radius. But here it is given that the center lie on the plane z is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of the sphere will be x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus 0 whole square equal to r square. Because since the center lies on z plane, the coordinates of the center of the sphere is a, b, 0. Now, the equation is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z square equal to r square. We'll take it as equation 1. So here also, to eliminate arbitrary constants a and b, we differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y. So when we differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x, we obtain 2 into x minus a plus second term is y term, it is treated as 0. So its derivative with respect to x is 0. Then plus 2z into dou z by dou x equal to 0, or 2 into x minus a plus 2zp is equal to 0, or we can write x minus a is equal to minus zp. Similarly, differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y, we obtain 2 into y minus b plus 2z into dou z by dou y is 0, or 2 into y minus b plus 2zq equal to 0, then y minus b is minus zq. So, substituting this in equation 1, we obtain minus zp whole square plus minus zq whole square plus z square equal to r square, or z square p square plus z square q square plus z square equal to r square, or we write it as z square into p square plus q square plus 1 equal to r square. So this is a partial differential equation.